matcha motherfucking latte, bitches. Hey, Moon Moon. I mean, hello. Oh my god, I hear you say, you're here again with another box. This is all you do now. You do unboxings. No, that is not all I do now. It is not. But it is something I like to do because it's fun. And oh, what? But you just did a KILLSTAR unboxing, I hear you say. I really enjoyed it, so they've sent me another box. It's a smaller box this time, okay? It's a smaller box, and the stuff that's in here, in this box, if you're familiar with KILLSTAR, which if you watch my channel you will be, because I wear it a lot and I have a lot of it, and I like it a lot and I talk about it a lot. Stuff that's in this box you will probably only know about the existence of if you get the newsletter like I do, or you like follow them on Instagram or something, because this is stuff that has just dropped today or yesterday or just within the last week. This is stuff that has just appeared in the world. Oh, Jupiter and Juno are gonna join us. I wasn't really sure about whether or not I should film on my couch with the curtains closed behind me, because it's just, it's really black. I keep saying I will eventually do an apartment tour, and that my living room is totally black. I mean, it's not totally black, but it's pretty dark. So you're just sort of seeing little chunks of it from time to time. I hope you like beautiful mellifluous Budgie singing. Another KILLSTAR unboxing. Yeah! And, oh yeah, what's even more exciting, probably the most exciting thing, is I've got a discount code. So if you've been looking to do some shopping at KILLSTAR, there is a discount code which will get you 10% off. So if there was something that you were thinking about getting from KILLSTAR, now would be the time to do it. No, they are not paying me to say this or do this, sadly, but they have given me this code to share with you. And I'm always stoked to be able to provide discounts for you for like my favorite brands, stuff that I think is really cool that I think you'd also like. So let's tuck in. So yeah, this is a mini unboxing. It's a mini unboxing, but the box is not that mini, is it? Yeah. Yeah. I should be careful with this knife. It's very pokey. Here's the box and all the mysteries concealed within. So mini unboxing, let's go. Let's start with this bag, which is on the top here. I love how their accessories always come in these velvet bags. I use these bags again and again. When I'm packing, I use them to keep small things in, usually jewelry and perfume and stuff. We source and use only the best materials on the market. It's one of the reasons I love KILLSTAR so much, is because I'm always quite impressed with the quality. Just after like a lifetime of buying crap, like cheap stuff and secondhand stuff, that like I can really appreciate something that's good, some like good quality, nice things that look really good and are gonna last. I've been wearing these spiked collars and chokers since I was at high school, and for a while there they were super unfashionable and you were like really lame and out of date if you were wearing them, but I've always really liked them and I've never stopped thinking that they were cool. I wore them even when they weren't cool, and now they're cool again, and now you can get heaps of kinds of amazing ones. And I always think the ones that KILLSTAR bring out are like quite different. Their collars and spiky jewelry are quite creative. They are quite small though, so hopefully this one fits. Oh wow, I think this is called the Seth collar. I mean obviously it's got these 3 layers of great big spikes which are friggin' awesome. I really liked this piece in the middle here, this keyhole. I thought that was quite a beautiful shape, and it's got like a pattern on it, and even on the back it's got a keyhole. Oh, this is gonna fit. Oh my god, maybe it's because I lost weight recently, and mostly I lost weight because I couldn't afford to buy food. Oh yay, it fits. Oh damn. Oh, it's so solid, it's so chunky. It just fits. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, it's so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so awesome. Okay, I'm gonna stop getting excited over this spiky thing. Are you enjoying the serenade over there in the corner? They're very sweet, you know. I did decide to get those budgies kind of spontaneously, and I regret nothing. I love them. Okay. Suddenly it's an ASMR video, excluding the screeching birds. So this is one of the clothing items that just dropped, like just came out. They brought out this massive amount of like really pretty summery lace things. Oh, I'll have to try this on. Anything in here that's like clothes, I will model for you at the end so you can see what it looks like on. This is a deadly beloved maxi dress. I thought it looked rather nice, rather elegant and strappy and pretty, and it's got like well, you'll see, it's got like a space in the middle. I'm really hoping it suits me. I get actually asked a lot of questions about like KILLSTAR's sizing, and I do find that their sizes are really decent. Depending on the brand, I'd say on average I'm like a UK 14. Sometimes I'll have to get a UK 16, usually on the top, or sometimes a 12 will fit me, so I'll say 14 for average, and I wear an XL from KILLSTAR, so that tends to be the perfect size. So it's really cool. Like every time I get something from them, it fits exactly right. Beautiful, long, strappy, summery, lacy maxi dress. I can't wait to try this on and show it to you. I want to see what it looks like. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, this, I think this is one of the new, like, did you see they brought out like a Dead Black Sea collection? I was gonna say Dead Sea. A sort of like dark nautical theme, like dark mermaid themed massive collection of stuff. I thought most of it didn't look like it would really suit me terribly well, but this top is an off the shoulder top and I love stuff like that. So this is the Black Sea Bardo top. Oh, I can't wait to try this on. It looks really cute. It looks kind of short in the body. Hopefully it will be pretty. This fabric's quite hard to describe. It's sort of like black velvet, but with like a shiny black on black sort of scale. I really like off the shoulder stuff. I like 3/4 length sleeve things. Those things I find the most flattering in my body shape. So of all the Black Sea collection of stuff, this was the thing that I thought was the coolest. Okay, there's two more things in here. Like I said, it's a smaller unboxing. Last time we had loads of stuff. This is smaller. Do we go for the box or do we go for the bag? I think we go for the bag. KILLSTAR, a cult luxury. Oh. I weep. It's so shiny. Maybe you know that I love PVC. PVC and velvet, I've said this a million times, are my favorite materials because they are blacker than other black materials. Oh, stop. No way. Oh my god. It's got a furry thing. We've got a key ring with a fluffy black ball and a great big pentagram. That's cool. I approve of, oh, it smells new. And this will be the strap. Let's get this little fluffy doodad on. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. This is the Jessie handbag. Jessie glass handbag. Is this gonna be my new everyday baby? Maybe. Of course, apart from my own personal branded handbag, I think this is my new favorite baby. Welcome home, you shiny thing of wonder. It's perfect. It's perfect. How big is it on the inside? It seems pretty spacious, just like a great big wide thing with a little pocket in there. Gosh, I'm looking forward to my next trip out into the city so I can style this with something else shiny. Last thing in the box is another box. There's the knife. Where's me knife gone? There it is. I'm sorry that the budgies are being so noisy. I would put their cover over them to make them shut up, but I slept in quite far today and their cover was on them for longer than it normally would have been. They had many extra hours of darkness today and I felt sorry for them, so I think it would be a bit mean to cover them up again already. I know what's in here. It's something that I was like, oh, you've got to be really. Thought that's something I have a mighty need, and also something that, well, I should say a mighty use, because you might have noticed that when I do any kind of makeup related videos, that the mirror that I'm using is often broken on the back. Ugly, broken, glue looking side facing the camera, which is not very pretty. So I thought this would be far more pleasing to look at when doing makeup videos. Oh, oh wow, damn. It's quite heavy. So this is a hand mirror. Is that like not one of the fanciest mirrors you've ever seen. I just thought, I mean, look at it. It's a great big bat and all baroque swirliness, and it's just so pretty. And that's the front there. Can you see that? Oh, it's quite heavy, but I guess it does have glass in it. This is much nicer to look at, isn't it, in makeup videos instead of that like broken glue covered plastic rubbish mirror that I have. I'm trying to judge if like the mirror is actually good. It's a bit hard to tell in this light. I feel like maybe because it's narrow. I feel like it's doing that thing where if you look at it this way up, your face looks narrower, but if you turn it sideways, it looks wider. Maybe I'm just seeing that because I'm expecting to. Maybe that's not what it's doing at all. I have to do my makeup with a hand mirror all the time because my eyesight is so crap that if I'm like looking at my wall mirror or vanity mirror or something, I can't see my own face. So I always have like a mirror right up close to my face, and that is just how I've always done my makeup, with like a mirror in one hand. Can we just take a moment to look at the beautiful details of this? Isn't that lovely? What a nice, beautiful, spooky piece to have on your makeup table or in your bedroom. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to try on this dress and this top and see what I like, to see if I look pretty. Here is the dress, and here are my naked arms. I thought I would just show it without anything on my arms first, just so we can look at it in its natural state. Ew. Yes. I think this is a lovely summer dress, and I'm quite sad that I haven't had it all summer long. I don't know if you can really see the shape of the bottom of it. It's kind of, it reminds me a little bit of mermaids. It's got ventilation around the middle. The only thing that makes me slightly sad, but isn't really a big deal, is that the little modesty black piece of fabric on the inside doesn't quite cover my boobies. So it's a choice of either seeing the top of my bra or the bottom of my bra, but it's black, so that doesn't really matter anyway. I feel so freaking naked and uncomfortable. I'm putting something on my arms. Just give me a second. Something like this might be nice. Please don't ask me where I got this from. I bought it from an op shop about a million years ago. It cost like $2. I think that works pretty well because it kind of meets with the little gap in the middle. Nice and light and summery. It was super hot again today. It was 32 degrees again today. Since the summer is obviously still happening, I'm sure I'll have plenty of opportunity to wear this. This would definitely sit better on someone who has like not giant boobs. I really like it. I think this is very pretty. Got these interesting straps across the chest. Does it not remind you also of a mermaid's tail, or is that just my imagination being strange? I would call this a twist on what's a pretty classic design for a summer dress. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like it? I like it. And here is the bag. Oh god, I love it so much. I hope it lasts many years. I will take good care of it. I love PVC. So this is the top, and I really like it. I knew I would. I really like the shape. I don't really know what to put on the bottom. I've just got on a pair of leggings because that's what the website suggests. It looks alright with a skirt kind of pulled over the top, maybe with a belt or something as well. It fits so well, and I think you can actually wear it either way around. Like I saw a picture on Instagram, the model was wearing it the other way around with the lacing up part in the front. I love that it's off shoulder. I love the length of the sleeves. For me, this is quite perfect. I'm not really into mermaids like everybody seems to be these days. I mean, I was when I was a child in a big way. It's very rare that I'll see like a mermaid kind of like sea themed scale patterned thing that I actually like, but I actually really like this. Feeling a bit self-conscious because this is quite short. Well, for me, I'd say this is quite short in the body. I like to wear tops that are a lot longer, that go down over the hips. That's why I thought that when I wear this, I'll have it tucked into something, like into a pair of high-waisted jeans. Can you see the scales? I like how it's not like in your face fish pattern. The website suggests wearing it with a cute choker or a piece of statement jewelry, so how about I try on the collar? Yeah, that works. That looks good. This collar is so awesome. It's got such big spikes. My 15-year-old self who's having a hard time finding spiked jewelry is so envious of me right now. They were right that this looks nice with a collar. It does. Thank you so much for joining me here on my black couch for this mini unboxing of KILLSTAR. I hope you've enjoyed it. And don't forget that if you go to the website KILLSTAR.com, use this code for a nice discount. I'm really looking forward to doing my next makeup video now so that I can, like, you know, have a mirror that I'm not ashamed of using. One that's not like embarrassing, that I'm trying to like not get in the camera. Oh gosh, thank you so much to KILLSTAR. Just wonderful. What a wonderful treat. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. I make videos every week. And as always, take care of yourselves, be nice to each other, stay sharp, and I'll see you next time. Bye.